instructor, Sir Norberto Alasas. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Diniboy Lopez Jr. My assigned topic is all about consumption of energy. Consumption of energy worldwide, industrialization has brought an increased demand for use of energy resources. It brought both the positive and negative effect on humans and ecosystem. The world industrialization nations have used tremendous quantity of energy to fuel their business. Countries like the United States and England have long been a major consumer of energy. China, formerly a light user of energy resources, quickly became a major consumer of petroleum as a source of energy to operate its growing economy. For some time, the source of energy has changed, with traditional water and wood, coal and oil gradually being replaced with a natural gas, wind, or tidal, nuclear, solar, geothermal, and fuel cells technology. The development of these energy sources often uses valuable agricultural land for the construction, storage, and transport of energy they produce. 76. Science, technology, and society. My own understanding about this. My own understanding about this topic is energy consumption is the use of energy by people, industries, and countries to support daily activities and economic growth, which countries to support daily activities and economic growth. While energy use improves living standards, it also causes environmental problems, leading many countries to shift toward cleaner and renewable resources. For example, is a country use electricity from power plants to run factories, like homes and power transportation, while gradually adding solar and wind energy to produce or to reduce rather pollution. That would be all. Thank you.